Have you ever wondered why you get bombarded with credit card offers after checking your credit score? It's not a coincidence. Financial institutions rely heavily on credit bureaus to assess your financial health, and Equifax is one of the big three in that game. But beyond lending you money for that dream vacation, who exactly uses Equifax and why? Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the world of credit reporting and unveil the companies that turn to Equifax for the key to your financial kingdom. First things first, let's talk about credit bureaus. These companies collect information about your borrowing habits, payment history, and outstanding debts. They compile this data into a credit report, a document that paints a picture of your financial responsibility. Think of it as your financial resume, constantly being updated with your credit card payments, loans, and even things like utility bills and phone contracts. Equifax is one of the major players in this arena. Established in 1899, it boasts a massive database of consumer credit information. So, who are the key players that utilize Equifax's services? Let's start with the heavy hitters, lenders. Banks, credit unions, and online lenders all rely on Equifax to make informed decisions about your loan applications. Equifax's credit report provides them with a crucial snapshot of your financial situation. Factors like your credit score, credit utilization ratio, how much credit you're using compared to your limit, and history of missed payments all play a role in determining your loan eligibility and interest rate. But lenders aren't the only ones peeking at your Equifax report. Insurance companies also use this data to assess risk. Think about it. Someone with a history of responsible credit management might be considered a lower risk for car insurance compared to someone with a history of late payments. Equifax's report helps insurers determine your premium by providing insights into your financial stability. Landlords are another group that might utilize Equifax. Before handing over the keys to your dream apartment, some landlords might use your credit report to gauge your ability to pay rent on time. A good credit score can give you a leg up in a competitive rental market, while a poor credit history might make it harder to secure that perfect place. Now, we've talked about traditional players, but the world of Equifax users extends beyond brick-and-mortar businesses. Many utility companies and even some telecommunication providers might use Equifax reports during the application process. After all, a history of on-time payments on your credit report can build trust and potentially qualify you for better deals. It's not just about traditional financial institutions either. Remember those subscription services you love? The ones that tempt you with monthly deliveries of beauty products or the latest gadgets. Some subscription box companies might also peek at your Equifax report to assess your creditworthiness before approving your subscription. But with great power comes great responsibility, right? Equifax, like any company handling sensitive data, has a responsibility to protect your information. Unfortunately, data breaches are a reality in today's digital world, and Equifax has faced its fair share of challenges in this regard. It's important to stay informed about your credit report and take steps to protect your information. Here's the takeaway: Equifax plays a significant role in our financial lives. Understanding who uses your Equifax report and why empowers you to take control of your financial narrative. Remember, a good credit score can open doors to better loan rates, lower insurance premiums, and even a smoother apartment hunting experience. So, keep an eye on your credit report, make responsible financial decisions, and leverage the power of Equifax to unlock your financial potential. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.